Let's go. Go, 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 go. You got him, you got him. You got him. That is a big crappie right there. Nice, you got one so fast. First fish of the day, Charlie. Awesome, dude.
Is that a pumpkin seed?
This is a pumpkin seed. Look at that beautiful fish right there. Look at all those pretty colors. Orange, blue.
Is that...
Right on his ear?
Yeah.
That's a little marking. Oh, he's slippery. All right, pop this guy off the hook. Didn't even steal our worm. Look at that.
Could I please fish?
Woo!
Can I please fish?
Look at that. Right off the bat, we got one. Awesome, dude. Roll. Nice. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Nice. Imagine if it loses it.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You gotta keep the tip forward. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Something's a little messed up, I fear. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. All right, here he is. Here he is. We got him.
Oh, that's so small. No,
We
that's
got
big.
him.
That's a big.
That is a nice little chain pickerel right there, Simon.
Nice one, Simon.
Sweet.
Yeah. Happy.
Wes, dude, look at that. This is a nice crappie right here. Let me see this guy. Beautiful. Got him on the live worm under the bobber. This is a good spot over here. All right, taking off the rubber worm and we're switching over to the live worm on a bobber. Putting on a little bait holder, size 6 hook. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and flatten the barbs right off the bat on this. So I just take my pliers, flatten out that barb. Just makes it easier to unhook the fish. And we still have great hookup ratio anyway. You got one? Getting bites? We'll go ahead and do a simple fisherman's knot. Put the line through the eye, spin it 8 times.
Wes, do you know any fish that comes up and just goes like this, eats it, and then brings it back down?
Back through the loop. There are a lot of fish that do that.
In this pond?
Could be any of the fish that live in this pond.
Oh. Okay.
And then we'll go ahead and clip this tag line. You got one? Here, let's put this down. Let's go see what Wes caught over here. Nice, dude. That's a pretty big one.
I want to catch something.
This is the pumpkin seed hot spot over here.
It's going like
This is a pretty good sized pumpkin seed.
It was actually putting up a big fight. Over here. You guys are hogging this spot. This thing is putting
Nice.
up. That thing put up a
Perfect
big
hookup,
fight.
popped right out.
That thing
Alright,
put
here
up
we
a
go,
giant
this.
fight. I'm like, that thing is funny.
Beautiful fish.
It's on there. It's
Nice, Liam's hooked up. What do we got?
Baby, this is like a baby.
That is a little tiny baby
Harry,
bluegill.
we could put that in something might eat.
That is a little
did
guy.
that
That
thing
is,
put him-
I would say, almost small enough to use as live bait, but a little bit too big for most bass. So let's take this guy off and let him
That's
go.
the smallest bass I've ever seen. This is not a bass. It is? Yeah. What's the smallest? It's a pumpkin. He got it! He has it!
Nice, dude.
Monster!
That's a monster.
That's like
That is a huge bluegill.
those branches.
Dude, that is a monster bluegill right there. Look at that.
Out of those branches.
That guy's probably almost a pound.
That's probably the one that kicked this one.
Oh, there he goes.
He's like just
Bye-bye.
level him. You're literally
Wes is on him again.
catching crappie. No.
Got another pretty good black crappie there.
Pumpkin seed.
Nice, good job,
That's
Grayson.
an easy unhook.
It is an easy
Yeah,
unhook.
that's
Want to try it?
That's just it is gill.
Perfect. I got it. All right in front of us here, there's a crappie sitting on his nest. I'm gonna put this camera right out in front of him. Right, he's sitting. You got one? Dude, that's a monster! I'm gonna get a shot of this crappie swimming away here.
Monster.
Nice, dude. Wes with another big crappie.
It's so heavy I can't reel it in.
That is a big crappie right there, dude. Again, on the live worm.
That's it. That was it.
That's how we do it.
That was it. I bet you caught it in the 15th.
Alright guys, it's been a great day fishing so far. Today is May 11th. It's a beautiful, about 70-degree day. The water temperature is approaching 60 degrees, which means the fish are getting ready to spawn. So the action has been really good. We've caught crappie, bluegill, and also pumpkin seed fish today. And you guys can come out here and use these same methods to pretty much any pond and successfully catch fish from shore. Alright, Grayson with another nice bluegill here. This guy might need pliers on hooks. You can get him on hooks and you can let him go, alright? Nice. Yeah, let's bring this guy up here.
I got it.
Dude! Wes with another big crappie right
That's the same
after.
exact one.
That might be the same one. We are crushing the crappie today. Let's see this big guy. Nice, dude. Fish number 8 for the day for Wes. Awesome. Alright, just to show you guys what we're using here. We've been using the small bait holding hooks, size 6, with live worms under a bobber. And we're also using little tiny swim baits under these little, I think these are 1/16 or 1/32 ounce jig heads. That is a great lure to use under bobbers. If we're not going to be using the bobber, we're definitely going to be using a Texas rig or a worm style, either a size 3 or 4 hook. And you can use these hooks on these Senkos, rubber worms, or really any little soft plastic bait. They're really easy to rig up. Alright, rigging up a little lure. If I was going to recommend one lure to cast out and reel in quickly, it would be a little swim bait like this, about 3.5 inches. We can catch perch, crappie, massive bluegill, bass, and pickerel on that. So let's try that one out there, Wes.
Going for crappie. That's
nice. Right there, dude. Yep. Not good. Pass and then reel it in so it's right on top. No, cast further than that. Right there. Right above his head. right there. Let it sit, let it sit. All right, pull when I say no, not yet. Let it sit. Go. You got him. You got him. Sweet, pull it up on shore. Nice, dude. That was awesome. That's a big crappie right there. Crappie action is off the chain today.
This is the biggest fish of the day, definitely.
Nice, dude. Let me lip this guy really quick.
Look at this.
That is a beautiful crappie right there on the crappie jig. Sight fished him right off his nest. That was awesome, bud.
Can I unhook him?
Yep, want to pop that hook out?
Wait, I can't. Wait, can you hold? I can't really see it.
Here, press your button. There you go.
I can't see the. Where's the hook?
Awesome last catch of the day. Let me pop it up.
It's hard when you can't see the hook.
Dude, that was so sweet.
Wait, can I release him? That is the biggest
Hold on to his lip right there. Perfect.
How big is
All right, Grayson, let's get the release on that crappie. That was awesome. We just sight fished this crappie right off of his nest.
Wait,
I think we got the shot of him eating it underwater.
Oh my god.
Release him right
Wait,
there.
can I see the shot of him eating it? Oh, going. He's going. Let's go to your nest.
Sweet.
No.
All right, we are walking back. That is the end of the fishing trip for today. I think everyone caught at least 5 fish. Some people caught close to 10 fish. Had an awesome action day of fishing here. Lots of crappie, lots of bluegill and pumpkin seed. Got a bag of trash taken out of here, which is always good. And we will be back out here next week. So until next time.